Okay, drag and drop your apples to your scene. Okay, and then you modify the scaling. For example, here I think 0.15 will be okay. And then move button here, okay, to go down. Or you also can use the tools here to modify the rectangles. You can like this, okay, or you can do a rotation. Okay, suppose can do it. This one is transform tool. I can do a lot of things. So rotate, okay, and whatever lah. This one is scaling tools, rotation tools, move tools, and this is pen only. View tool only, pen, C only. Okay, this one understand right? Because I forgot to teach already. Okay, so goes to this one, roughly 0.1 will be okay. Still remember, right? If you open this one, so others will be changed as well. So now you can move your apples roughly like in this area. Okay? Next, you need to have a collider for your apple. Okay, because apples is circle, so you just add the collider, circle collider. Okay, add circle collider and edit your colliders here. So this one no need to edit because I think already good enough. Okay, maybe you adjust a little bit lah. Okay, you can only move using this small square here. Okay, click this button to edit. Click and edit. Okay. Okay, you can rename it as Apple. Okay. Okay, this step done. Okay, click colliders done. So now you need to add the script name item pickup. Okay, for this step. Okay, so we need mono behavior script and we can copy the class name first. We copy the class name first. Okay, right click. You goes to the place that you write your codings lah. So here lah, we write our codings here, right? So right click, create. So scriptings, mono behavior script, and paste, rename it as an item pickup. Okay, rename it as an item pickup. Okay, now double click and now we try to understand our script. Okay, this script is, you see we call our scriptable object because we wanted to use our scriptable object. So now if we trigger enter means that, okay, in your game, for your apples, for your collider, you must have the trigger on, or else you cannot detect for that function. When you see the coding samples asking you have the trigger enters, okay, so you always need to check your collider, is it the triggers is on. Okay, so make sure collider trigger is on. Okay, now he said if other compare text player, okay, if this object collide with players, only will do something. If collide with other things, it won't do other things. Okay, won't do anything. Okay, this one is the inventory system, is another script. Okay, we add the item. So means that when we do the collider, we will be add the item to our inventory system. Okay, after we take the apples, we'll destroy the apple. So this is a simple coding for item pickup. So this one can understand, right? If, okay, others compare tag. This one tag is means that, okay, your player, you see this is tag, okay, tags. So if the items collide with the player is triggered on, okay, and then it will be add the item to your inventory and then it will destroy the apple. So the meaning of the codings are, so you can copy this code attached to your item. So now for your apples here, okay, you have the item picker. Now you can replace your coding with this. You will get errors, don't worry, because we haven't write this coding yet. Okay, this coding we plug to apples. Okay, so now apples have this coding. Okay.